for the crimes. Is that not correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
For example, the triggers for jurisdiction. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
For example, Article 17. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
For example, the acceptance of the crime of aggression. 15,
That's correct, Your Honor.
15 bis, and the following. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor,
Yes.
because the Rome
So
Statute
there
is...
are provisions in the Rome Statute which were not included in Republic Act 9851. Is that not correct?
Yes, because they're not necessarily,
So Republic Act 9851 was produced through deliberations in the House and the Senate, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And the House and the Senate did not produce the obligation on the part of the President to follow the rule on complementarity, gravity, office of the prosecutor, and the International Criminal Court,
I
correct?
disagree, Your Honor, because all over the law, Your Honor, you have
Show me.
those provisions, Your Honor.
Show me.
Well, Your Honor, let me refer the court, Your Honor, to...
Where is the provision on gravity? The requirement of gravity before prosecution.
Well, Your Honor, that is implicit in complementarity, Your Honor. And according to the...
Show me. In Article 17, it is very clear under Article 17, Section D.
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct, Your Honor.
What about in